The night my boyfriend got down on one knee, I heard a muffled sneeze from my bedroom closet. While he fumbled with the ring, I yanked the door open and there she was, mascara running, high heels in hand, shaking like a leaf. He stuttered something about a work emergency as she bolted past us, slamming the front door behind her. My heart raced while he begged for forgiveness, swearing she meant nothing, as if that could erase the years of lies. I threw the ring back at him and watched his face crumble, realizing I'd spent so long pretending not to notice the red flags. The sickest part? For a split second, I almost said yes, just to win.